we're pulling the California out of this YFZ. 2018 YFZ 450 on the Sawyer Custom and Speed Race Team. All the vent lines, oil lines, all that stuff to go to the airbox and other places are getting removed. Sensors are getting removed. It's getting a steering stabilizer. And the exhaust is getting rewrapped. I don't know what's up with the exhaust wrap, but it is absolutely trashed. So, near the end of the video, you get to see why we're removing all of these vent lines that go back to the airbox. This airbox has never been flipped upside down until today. And when I flip it upside down, it's already been flipped upside down probably 2-3 times. And the stuff that comes out of it is absolutely bleh. So, with a little bit of bling and a little bit of D-California, we turn this thing into a race bike and get her ripping. Intake, bunch of deletes. Enjoy the video, guys. If you like this stuff, hit the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Comments are even better. And if you guys watch these things all the way to the end, let me know.